Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to find the nth term of linear sequences. The nth term is an expression that we can use to find the value of any given term in the sequence. It can be written in the form of dn plus a minus d, where d is the common difference, n is the position of the term, and a is the first term. So let's solve some questions. These are the first 5 terms of a linear sequence: 6, 10, 14, 18, and 22. Write an expression for the nth term. So first what we would do is we would write the general format. And then we need the d value and the a value. So d is the common difference, which in this case would be 4. We can see because we subtract the second term from the first term. And a is simply the first term, so it's 6. So we would just substitute these values into this expression. 4n plus 6 minus 4. So when we simplify this, we get 4n plus 2. And this is our answer. Now the next question says, determine whether 108 is a term in the sequence. So in order to do this, we would say that 4n plus 2 equals 108. And if 108 is a term in the sequence, when we solve for n, we should get a positive and whole number value. So let's just solve this. We would first subtract 2 from both sides. And then we would divide both sides by 4. So 106 divided by 4 is 26.5. And therefore 108 is not a term in the sequence because 26.5 is not a whole number. Now the next question says, find the 50th term of the sequence. So first what we would do is we would write this nth term expression, which is 4n plus 2. And then we would simply substitute 50 for the value of n and solve. So we can say 4 times 50 plus 2. And then we can just simplify this. 4 times 50 is 200. And then 200 plus 2 is 202. And this is our answer. Now here's another question. These are the first 5 terms of linear sequence: 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5, and 8. Write an expression for the nth term. So as always, we would write the general format first, dn plus a minus d. Then we would find our d value, which in this case is negative 3, because the sequence is getting smaller by 3. So d is negative 3. And then a is just the first term, so a is 4. And then we would substitute these two values in, giving us minus 3n plus 4 minus, and then minus 3. So 4 minus minus 3. And then minus minus becomes a plus, so it's minus 3n plus 7. And this is our answer. The next question says, determine whether negative 41 is a term in the sequence. So what we would do is we would say negative 3n plus 7 equals negative 41. And then when we solve for n, we should get a whole positive number if negative 41 is a term in the sequence. So let's just do that. We would subtract 7 from both sides, giving us minus 3n equals negative 48. And then we would divide both sides by negative 3. So n equals negative 48 over negative 3, which equals 16. So yes, n is a term in the sequence because 16 is a whole positive integer. Now the next question says, find the 30th term of the sequence. So our nth term is minus 3n plus 7, so we would just write that down. And then we would substitute 30 for n, giving us minus 3 times 30 plus 7. And then let's simplify this. So this gives us minus 90 plus 7, which is equal to negative 83. And this is our answer. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.